Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe down below so that you will see my videos on a daily basis. And today we're gonna tour one of the homes that will be available in the southwest area of Las Vegas by Richmond, American, which is only 17-minute drive to the Las Vegas Strip, and this is the model code Anika. It's a single story home, and I'd love for you guys to guess at the end of this video. I'm going to tell you which one is the favorite part that I like about the home. So my favorite part of the home, I'll reveal it at the end of this video, so please check out my reaction throughout the entire video. Let's tour this this home, so that we can see how beautiful it is. It's a single story home, Anika. Before we proceed to the home tour, guys, I would like to give you an idea of how easy it is to commute from this community of Richmond, American called the Monarch Meadow, where this particular model is available. As you can see, guys, from Monarch Meadow, it will only take you about 15 minutes to get to the Bellagio fountain. And also, it is also near to the international airport. So basically, it is an easy access to the 15 freeway, which is also the freeway going to Los Angeles. This particular development here, there's a lot of restaurants here. I went here and drove by, and there's a lot of things going on here. And as you can see, South Point Hotel is also nearby. So it's an easy, convenient commute to the Las Vegas Strip if you're planning to have a trip to the Las Vegas Strip. Alright guys, this is the front facade of the Anika model home. As you can see here, 3 bedrooms, 1,740 square feet. You have those 3-car garage there, and this is the model home. Ooh, nice seating area here, guys. Love this seating area here so that you can relax during the night and talk about dreams in life, right? And this is the entrance. Let's go inside. Ooh, it smells so good here. Love the flooring. Oh, again, they use a really nice light flooring here, which has grains of gray. Ooh, look at this. Lots of windows, very generous, because you have one window there and you have another window there for your secondary bedroom here. Okay, so this is the closet. Really nice double rod there. Right, let's check out. Ooh, look at this. Right, it has its own fan system there. All right, let's check out the bathroom here. Nice tile. Hello, guys. Nice counter. As I mentioned, guys, if you buy a single story home, your ceiling is like 11 or 12 feet. It's very, very high. All right, so that's your bathroom, bedroom. Let's check out the other secondary bedroom here. I will definitely upgrade the carpet into a hardwood or 100% vinyl plank. All right, I love these huge windows, guys. Definitely makes sense. If you have a smaller bedroom, you have to have a lot of bright coming out from outside, like sunlight. All right, let's go to the main area here. On the right side, yeah, this is the sales office, which is currently the garage. This is the garage, which is currently the sales office. Ooh, this is a large closet. Laundry area, guys. Really large. You know what I will do if you ask the builder if they can do this as a tub, because if you have a dog, you can actually wash them here instead of going to your main bathtub. So it's easier for you guys to wash the dog if you have a tub there. I don't know what this is. I believe this might be the coat closet. Yes, it is. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the main area? Here we go. Wow. Oh, wow. I love this. Open concept is always nice. Let's span it from this corner of the dining area. Look at this, guys. Tall ceiling, lots of recessed lighting. Love this. And then you have that backyard there with, again, really nice door that almost feel like you're outside also while you're inside. Let's take a look at this kitchen. Look at this. Double oven. You have pantry here. You can actually choose a glass door for this pantry so that you can immediately see what you're missing if you need to buy more food for your family. This is your counter. This is definitely large, high quality cabinets, guys. Invented outside, yes. Ooh, love this door. Look at this, guys. You have entrance there so that once you're preparing food here, you can definitely give this to your guest right there without going on the other side. So that's a very canny design or floor plan for this type of setup. I love this home. This is a really nice home. And I think it's because also the flooring that they used, it's very light. It makes the room brighter when you choose a lighter color. This is the living room, guys. I'm at the corner of the living room area. What I like about this open plan is while you're eating, you can actually watch TV there. And also this is really nice. I would definitely choose this kind of glass door, right? I'm gonna span from the corner of the living room here so you can appreciate the beauty of this main living room area. All right, let's check out the owner's bedroom. Ooh, nice design. You still have space for your TV here. Large windows overlooking your backyard. Now, one recommendation, guys, if the builder will allow, I would definitely put a door here because upon waking up in the morning, if you wanted to quickly go there into your backyard, you have access to the backyard quickly if you have a door here. And you can ask the builder if they will allow you to put an access door going outside from your owner's bedroom. All right, let's check out. Wow, love the flooring here. Ooh, look at this large 2 sinks that will avoid divorce. So that you won't fight with your husband or wife, you have separate sink and that will avoid divorce. Look at this, guys. Really nice use of the wall throughout, meaning the design is, it's almost like you're in a hotel here. You know what I will change is this, I like the silver one rather than the black one. You have the bathtub here, right? So I am spanning around so you can appreciate, guys. This is your toilet area there, right? And look at this. They upgraded this closet here, guys. Definitely upgraded. It's a pretty large closet because you can walk. So this is your master owner's bathroom with the closet there. All right, let's go back to the main house and let's see if we can go outside. This is a large backyard, guys. And as I mentioned a while ago, you have access there, right? You have access, you still have your barbecue area here. This is a large lot. Of course, you have to pay for premium if you're paying like large lot. And I like the backyard is like private like that. It's huge. Definitely a pool size. Look at this, guys. Really huge backyard. Ooh, look at the mountain views there. And you have this tall sides there. This is definitely a huge backyard. We're just missing the swimming pool here, right? You have to put the swimming pool. It's so hot here in Vegas. You need to have that kind of water outside so that you can enjoy it. There's a lot of open space here, guys. I'm walking, but it feels like it's never ending. Look at this. You have a side entrance here. Right? It's a huge backyard, guys. Love it. Okay. We're just missing the pool. Okay, let's go back inside. And I like that they have this patio roof there. We're back inside. Let's close the door so that no one will be able to enter from outside. One more time, guys, this is your main living area. Love the design and the flooring. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned a while ago, I'm going to reveal my favorite part of the home. What do you think? Is it the backyard? Is it the kitchen? Or is it the owner's bedroom? So please let me know, write down in the comment below which one is my favorite part of the home. And my favorite part of the home is again the backyard. The reason why is because it's huge and it's very private. It doesn't have a neighbor at the back. You only need a swimming pool to make it happen, meaning to make it more beautiful and appealing. But I also like the flooring. So there are two parts of the home that I like. It's the backyard and also the flooring that they used here. Again, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. Put those bell notifications on so that you won't miss any of the videos that I post on a daily basis. It's fun to watch, guys, because you are seeing my reaction for the very first time when I tour this kind of home. And if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. And as I mentioned, guys, thank you so much for always watching the videos. Because of you guys, the channel is growing and we are also being watched all over the world. There's a lot of viewers from around the globe, and I really appreciate you guys if you're watching from outside the US, and also for you that are watching in the United States, thank you so much as well. All right guys, have a great and amazing day.